is Korean. Fire is about for in some
This Fact or Fact on Ghana TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Today, General Asiedu Nketiah, the chairman of the National Democratic Congress, visited the community and families of the 16 young people who died in an accident. Guys, after a whole week and more, this is the day the NDC as a party decided to reach out to these families. Why did they have to take this long? What really is the reason? This Fact on Fact. So guys, there was a tragic incident that involved 16 Obogu Savior Church. All right? And these are the youth, or unfortunately was involved in an accident where a moving vehicle collided with their own vehicle head on, leading to that tragic incident. Guys, now these 16 young members of the Savior Church Youth Ministry died. And there's been a lot of conversations surrounding it. People are sharing their views to the extent that Okatiechi Frifa had to raise certain concerns about the fact that the government in power have not said anything about this issue. He criticized the government on several occasions and even mentioned that the NDC government should do better. Guys, there has been some engagement online, and unfortunately, there was another tragic incident that happened on the 6th of August. And now there's a statement from the presidency by extending some condolences to the family and all of that. So people were like, how about the 16 children who also died through an accident where a fuel tanker heading towards Accra, unfortunately, the tire got burst and trying to overtake another vehicle, resulted in another accident. And after all this while, nobody has commented about it. The Minister of Roads and Highways have not said, I'm going to fix the road. The Ministry of Gender, it took the Ministry of Gender several days to even issue a statement. Now, there was a mass burial for this 16 youth of Obogu Savior Church. And today, General Asiedu Nketiah, was in the community.
One more the ordinary or the Bilkun Betty. And the Odoka say, and then me here, the Suezua, Ubia and the Nicholas. Ocase, Obetia, and one church who say, as I say, on the farm. Let us say, I'm a Koran call Yenian. Say, I'm on ye Ubia, Yanasa, everything attain near Monino Asset. And Tiabasa, I didn't food in a Asedan and Limon and Coco. When in the India, Sabre offer. And Tiabusha or for Legion Party and then Nicola and then Amamayako. Namunye jidi se Yankopon chicha de soa Ono ane di ubia ho de ma on fa ye ma uti de soa en fa ma eti mu se odi sa de soa na ma obema ho ho de na ya soa sa na and Paya for the said, Paya of the first rule, and Paya idea, said in various and Korea and you must say, O Maria was free. Who are a cow of you, what he said, Oba, Akoya and Roba, and who can be a woman too. Wakoto wana and the INC. Wakoya the money and the INC. Now, we be the better say, or one Koya the money. Or who be so young, said ye, or no one, task and so on. Until you make and also and a mere phone affair. Timidity said, a TBR. By Papa Bien, but if I first room, a chance and also have a more for room. And fast
and today, Asiedu Nketiah is saying that he mourns with the bereaved. He mourns and extends his condolences to the family. But sometimes some of these things, you may not know when some of these things happen because they are accidents. But when it happens, people have to step in, show concerns. All right, people need to sympathize with you, even though that cannot heal your pain entirely. But at least it'll bring you some comfort. It'll bring you some, comfort. Yeah, definitely. And it took NDC and the government a long time to reach out to the family. And there's no specific point from General Mosquito's speech that sort of prioritized the road. All right, they did not make any point that we would like to prioritize the road and make sure it's constructed to prevent any such incident. Sometimes some of these things, when it happens, you make a bold statement by getting the road fixed, and that will come as a relief for the family. I mean, how many times are we going to experience road accidents because our leaders have decided not to think? These roads are bad. We pay our taxes. Some of the taxes are even taken without our consent because these are indirect taxes. After paying all of this, the political class will still not think about the welfare of the citizens. How many people are we going to lose through road accident? Ebony Reigns died, unfortunately, through a road accident. Until now, I doubt if they fixed that road. You see, when are we going to learn as a people? And today, General Mosquito, because he's not a minister of roads and highway, and he's not a representative from the government delegation, he's just representing NDC at this point. And he could not tell the family we are going to fix the road, at least for them to have a feeling that this problem will be resolved so that nobody else in our community will lose their children through a road accident. Guys, it's becoming so sad, and this news is becoming too repetitive. It is becoming worrying. I don't know how you feel, but the truth of the matter is that as a people, we should start thinking outside the box. Must it take Okatechi Efifa to call out the NDC before Johnson Asiedu Nketiah and the NDC visit the bereaved family? Must it take Okatechi Efifa to call out and drag the hell out of the NDC government before they'll go and say hello to the family? Are they not Ghanaians as well? This is so sad. Guys, at this point in time, I just sit back and I'm like, this can happen to anybody. It can happen to anybody's child. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a people? And today, just listen to General Asiedu Nketiah.